You. I had no intention to tell the internet that you are gay. I did not try to state that you are gay. You have been taunting me on the internet for weeks prior, and in my gentle opinion, no real man comes to the internet to argue with a woman. No real man comes on the internet and drag their own woman, especially with lies.
A few moments later.
Listen, once me name the inner the spotlight and gay come up, a lot of people are not going to, in Jamaica, a lot of people are not going to want to be affiliated. Bro, my friends dropped me. No. They don't want to be affiliated with somebody that is being branded as gay.
Okay.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
No Media Fox, you know. So yes, people. I see a little drama go on in the media with this girl named Drezel. See? And I see her boyfriend, Chad. But yo, may I watch the two of them? You know, two of them I give them point. I thought them truth or whatsoever, right? But may I say, yo, the girl, you know, the girl is some influencer. You understand? Instagram and things. So, you know, them girls show up them body and everything. Right? But the youth man when name Chad, the brother, I don't know. All me have to tell the brother say, no look no more Instagram, no look no more famous girl. You understand? Because I'm gonna tell you why this even escalate. Because I think the two of them move too fast. Yes, they move too fast. You understand? Because look here now, the youth when name Chad, which is our boyfriend, seeing him just a come out of a relationship with him and him baby mother. But so him should have give himself some time, right? Him should have give himself some time. See? Because look at now, him see a little thing, so yo the girl come in at the car, look away and thing. But you know, if a woman like you rate, you know, she go coffee, yo, she go show you that everything. See, fine. But Jano, I never like how the youth go up and J for thing and yo, Jano, the man I bring down the girl dog. You understand? Certain little things, you know, care about media. Because me I watch fair thing, seeing and she no bring up no family thing like got depth like guy man say yo the girl and her mother, them cuss. It's like the man I bring out everything. Seeing but I realize say him need therapy. I nah lie, the youth need therapy. What I could have said the girl I do wrong is that you don't know you're in a relationship with a guy. You know, the life they posting and them certain things upon Instagram and them someday. You know? That could have, you know, you have to just show a little respect there, so. But the youth now, yo, I don't know, you know, I have a friend like that, you know. The youth very emotional, may I tell you. Brother, you see, if you and your woman argue, and your woman take her space, because this is the thing. Him say the girl going must in the bathroom or so, and she dip on the phone, but he must say, I hear the person on the phone, and the phone, him know the person, hear the voice and everything. But it's like, he must say, I ask her and thing. But what caused all of that is that him not trust the girl. This is the thing, you know. It's all lack of trust. I'm going to tell you what causes trust. Because he must say, a mother and father and some people are tell him about the girl. Tell him some things. So that start build up a wall, you know. Seeing? Then him start looking at phone. Yo, that one thing. One thing man I do. You see, looking at woman phone. Men not do that because this is the thing. Anyway you take it, you are going to find out somehow. May I tell you, you are going to find out somehow, bro. You see the phone thing, dog, I keep that privacy, right? If me I go use my partner phone and make a call, it's just a call. Me not going on the person privacy. You understand? Because you don't want that either. You maybe not do nothing, but if you trust each other, you not go on going at this person your phone and because the way how they move fast is like him and him baby mother left. Like move out of him place or whatsoever. Right? Or he must move. Like the last part of January. And then the first week, him and she start, you know, first week of February or so. Him and she start talk or, you know. I think them go public both in a March. But like them it seem to me like them start live with each other like less than a year. Right? Them really did move fast. You know? And The girl, I tell people, it's when people move out of different relationships, it's kind of hard for build one because that broken a barrier where, yo, as somebody slip up, them just left. And that is not a good thing. You understand? It's not a good thing. It's kind of hard. I feel like people forgive themselves some time before them go in a relationship. Give themselves some time. You understand? Because everything take time to heal. But the youth now, him in this situation, him put a lot of problems because the trust, right? And remember, the girl is an influencer, Instagram, and everybody know her. She have her business, so a lot of people are gonna know her. A lot of people are gonna see her and maybe hate her. That's how you think, right? But the past is the past. See, you and her a deal, but you don't know him saying parents them a tell him things in him ear, so that kind of even make things worse, right? Even make things worse. And what me never like when the private business them when did that talk about Pan Jeffrey thing. You understand? You might talk something about the girl mother and certain things I feel like not for talk on the situation. But you can talk about the main thing them and but it's like when I check it, police get involved, all of them look at thing there. But when I wrong the youth for too, you say if you and your girl argue, brother, and you see say she needs space or she had do something, just allow it. Cause him say she in the bathroom, right? They on the phone attack, right? But maybe when she attack, she don't want the nice or so, right? So she say she don't want the kid or daughter or something run in and nice, right? Fine. But him there at the door and a back and forth to there, back and forth to there. When should I do, brother? Just go and watch some TV or something, brother. Make sure go and talk. You understand? If you know who is the person on the phone, you don't have to worry yourself. You understand? But I guess him say at the first she ever lock up in her room. But give her some time when she done talk, when you come out and talk and sometimes we escalate things, But as me say, the youth, him never trust her. And that cause all of the problem. You understand? All of the problem. Cause him start looking at her phone now. Him a go buck up some things. Right? That's why I'm tell you, just load the phone. Just load the phone and focus on the person. You understand? Because at the end of the day, you is not like say you catch her with a different man. You understand? But you and her there, she not catch her with no other man or whatsoever. See? So look here now. You see, that's what I'm telling you, you see it hard for deal with when things go public or you date a public figure, a lot of things will happen. But as a man, brother, you shouldn't, may I tell you, the part Jeffrey show, and it's like, the man very emotional, the man more emotional than the girl, fam. You understand? I watch one on the Jeffrey show, I'm watch one with the girl, right? And the girl that talks, we have to respect the girl with, she never come out and talk like certain things with him talk. You understand? So I say, brother, you see when you date a girl, bro, like you company media and I bring her down so fam. Like, trust me, I'll miss the comments, a lot of women ago, like, bro, you got turn away a lot of woman, bro. I tell you, you got turn. One thing with me, cause I think what's she name, Drezel, I think she did that say, the CMU did a talk, like a talk to her about female baby mother and thing, and like she does say, Ray, don't do that. You see, that's a one thing I'm learn. You see, when you have a new partner, don't bring up no ex business. Like you see, when me a date, me no bring up ex. Are you would have to ask about my ex? Me I tell you, me no bring up them something there. If you are focused on the future, focus on the future, right? The ex thing and the bringing down an ex and talk about ex every day and them something there. Nah, you not go catch me and do that. You understand? If you move on, just move on. That's why, right? Because the reason why the guy even bring up the ex to the girl, right? The baby mother, is because them just leave. Them just leave out a relationship. So the ex thing, him no heal from that yet, And that is what the trust with him plus that. And me see like him a comparing baby mother with the girl. Which means say, brother, you can't do that, fam. Baby mother, your new girl. when you go use your baby mother and bring down. You understand? Because brother, the whole world are watching of fam. And you're dead, bro, you're a man, brother. You understand? And you see me, you nah move like how a man for move fam, cause you dead you talk some bugger things as a real Jenna dog. For us love something, brother. If you talk your truth and talk your side, I don't feel like unnecessary things should have forward, bro. Like bringing in your parents and all of them look at something. No. I don't feel like that's supposed to end the argument. All you have to do, bro, forward everything what she address, right? Or what caused the situation between you and she, the situation between you and she. Them they want to something. No outside, no about no parents or cause bringing up she and whatever her mother, them think they're personal, bro. She just allow that, brother. Because right now, yeah, your parents and fair parents, if not go pre, can involve them. See? And it seemed to me, it's like, feeling parents, and that's one of the things too, You say if you date somebody and the parents of the person are like you, yo, that gonna give you a rough patch. Me I tell you. Rough patch, like, can remember, the guy parents. You have some people who makes them parents say you're Ray, such and such, but I got trigger off certain things because that's how I trigger off the thing with the youth. Because in parents I say, yo, I beat things out there with that girl, watch out for her, this, that. So him kinda say, yo, what really go on? So him kinda the lack of trust now, the trust wall start go up now, and everything will go up on our phone, anything will blink or any light come up on our phone, he might look on it. He might go through it. No, bro. You know, go through woman phone, brother. That's a one thing, dog. As a general, go through. If you trust the girl, you no need of it go through her phone, fam. You understand? You no need. And some of the time, in a life, some of the time, I know everything, not because you're not a partner, Sometimes something I do some true thing, like, you not have to tell your partner this or that. You understand? For example, you're up on the road and, like, somebody a look after you, or them thing that are just immune thing, like the person say a woman are up on the road and a guy goes up. Yeah, she not have to tell you that you don't know a man, that man always go after a woman and try for her. You understand? But I know everything. See? So him would feel lack of trust now, cause a lot of thing, brother. It's a lot of thing, and the emotions we him have, him a go back and forth with her. At that, the back and forth. And I realize when the girl says she wants space, him nah give her no space. That's one of the worst thing, brother. You have to give people space. Give them time, space. Yo, may I tell you, in every relationship you have a little argument, right? But this is the thing. It's when you give a person space, not space to walk out or say some of the time. But if them in the room and them say them need space, give them space. Just go out in the living room or something. Go and watch something, go and watch one show and just, for something funny or, Can remember the brain work like a computer, You have to make it update. You understand? And then later down now when everything calm down, you can reason. But I realize him just want to get things just sorted out. No. You understand? Sometimes you have to get like a time in general. You see it? But the way you act, fam, that no look right, brother. You understand? That no look right. Some of the thing with the girl though, yeah, it can be reason with, because, she a influencer, she depend on Instagram, every little thing. She says she have her business, all of these things. But, brother, if you go company media and explain certain things, the people them wanna need for address or say anything about no need. The two of you will come lay your foundation straight, but this is the one of the thing. Him say he might text people. He must say you want micro cheat, and cause he might do the same thing too, He might do one little text, he might text other people. Right? But him feel away when she a text. So, brother, you cannot do the same thing. And then of course she a do. You understand? Some of the time, bro, it best to me, people, him not for date no more. Him not for date no more influencer, I tell you. Because that cause problem right now. Him not for date because the trust people. So when I see it as some joke thing, nah go work, man. Yeah, man. So him can Not gonna happen. Because when you look on it, him too emotional. And that's one other thing. And as I say, people, make sure you heal before you go in our next relationship. Please, me I beg you. Make sure you say you heal. It seemed to me like the girl never really have nobody who she is serious with. So I understand with she. But him just left out and man him baby mother just left and him just jump gone. And that will even escalate everything. So we have to just know what I do. And this social media thing bring down each other, bring down a brand, we have business, all of these things. Come on, man. But I expect more better from the youth, Chad. Yeah, man, I expect more better from him because as a man, brother, a woman, remember say she was a woman, bro. You can't imagine she was a wife. You have to just keep certain things, bro. You can't just bring down somebody, so you see me? Yeah, you can talk something, but some other thing, bro, come on. And first of all, I'm not like call no woman bitch. Me I tell you, me no call woman bitch, dog. That's one thing. Me no call woman bitch. Yeah, man, me no call woman bitch, none at all, so. You have to just know that, bro. You can't call somebody like a woman bitch and them little thing are disrespectful, you see me? Yeah, as a Jenna. But you should know better, bro. I tell you. Yo, one of the worst thing, brother, you see this police and get involved with couple and bro, me not like them thing there, brother. Me I tell you, me not like them thing there. Some of the time when arguments start, because everybody have argument. When arguments start, right? Some of the time we talk and sometimes we have to just listen and communicate. You see, that's one of the things. Trust and communication. Yeah. Trust and communication. Because if you don't have that, bro, boy, it don't even make no sense. One time me hear the story gone in a dopey mode. This time when I see him the sandals and dopey come over her and one of the other thing and all of them look at something them. She never, I don't know, because I think she must first come out. But some dopey story dog and the devil thing and you know, like I don't know, but what I never like what she do, how when she said the devil thing, I say, look like the devil sent him. I say, oh, John, no man, I can't say that one. Devil saying no, sir. I don't think that right. You see it. Better you say the devil I try. Better you say the devil I come between the two of them. But when you say the devil send him, and it look like he's a youth, you know, as him say church and thing and you know. That's one thing. Me no label people or label no girl as bitch or label her say yo the devil thing. Yeah. You see, me can't say somebody's a menace. But but people, you see this social media thing, dog. It's a dangerous thing in the youth. Yeah, man, it's a dangerous thing. I have to know what you say, brother. Because I tell you, a lot of women I watch a brother, you know. Because the video them gone 200K, 1,000, much 100,000K, brother. Them women here look for all this, are you, brother, you know. Them don't want him. Let me tell you this. A lot of people are going to lose off of him. Because I'm done to lose friends. Because I think some gay thing bring up on one bag of thing and him say, yo, him friend them stop deal with him and all of them look or something there. So, yo, him a go lose. Yo, we tell you that, brother. Remember, you know, him should deal the situation more better there because if you interview him and he's like, the man attack something, brother, and everything you forward on the media with, bro. You talk about parents, she and her mother cuss and come on, bro. No, man. Because to me, he more emotional than how the girl act. The girl just did and she explain what she fi do and you know, me expect say the girl fi move like how he move. But brother, I don't know. Rough dog, me I tell you rough. You see me so. I just one of them people. People as me say, if you're not gonna jump in a relationship, make sure you heal first. You know? Make sure you heal. And if you have insecurities and certain things, don't date nobody where in the celebrity world or you know influencers or something because it all cause problem. That's all I have to say. But people don't know, you know. Big up on yourself, you know. Don't know one media fox, you know. Yeah, man, that is it.